Ka Office Civil Subdivision Patharkhmah haka arphuwai tarik jemang kala play patba yaka TREILANG-2026 Inter-Village Development Championship badan kentiu yaka jinga TREILANG bat ka jinga teli hapadeng Kishnong ki badan haka nika Civil Subdivision Ribhoi District. Yaga inaugural orientation program lapan long ha Patharkhmah Model Degree College bala play patba adu DC Ribhoi District Abhilash Baranwal IAS haka jinga dan lang USDO Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision Chetanya Awasthi IAS U Dr. Hajong, BDO Jirang Block, Uba R. Marwen, OC Patharkhmah Police Station, Ba Petal Thank you, Rang Bashnong Patharkhmah, ki Samla Pule ke Patharkhmah Model Degree College, Bat ki Patba, na Kishnong Ba Marjan. Hakani ke jinga lang lasaki ya ke jinga shimpenta Bashit Rahem je ki Patba, kinong ya lam shnong bar ki Samla, ki bawan ban kershan ya ke program ke balong shibenta, ban penklan ya ke jinga TREILANG, lengba ki jinga lekai, ki jinga ko, bat ki program call Shor. Ka TREILANG arhajar arpun reu kan beteng nadu ubnai jemang hadu unai wing menta usnam bat kan kentup bun jat ki jinga kop kum ki sports tug of war jinga kop shot bat ruai arts and craft lembat ki way haka por men step haka ni kasngi ki Samla Pule ka Patharkhmah Model Degree College kila penlong ru ya ka jinga patba rally hasor Patharkhmah bat pensyai patba halor ka jingma na ka jing di duma Balapan sengut hu ekipat ba halor ka jingdan kam ban kiarna kini ki jingmlien ki bakta ya ka kwat ka kia. Hagani kesingi ke Office SDO Patharkhmah bar ke Office Jong U BDO Jirang Block. Kilapan kup burom ru ya U Abhilash Baranwal IAS halor ka jing Shakri Jong U kum U Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District Shua ba un mino na ka district bandit Shimti ya ka Office Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District.
Sangeno, Duma, Sangeno, Duma, Seno, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Damno, Duma, Damno, Duma, Damno, Duma, Tobacco, Kaskansar, Tobacco, Kaskansar, Tobacco, Kaskansar. Kaskansar, Kadi Duma, Kadi Duma, Kadi Duma, Kadi Duma, Kaskansar, Kaskansar, Samla, Kadi Duma, Samla, Kadi Duma, Samla, Kadi Duma, Seno, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Tobacco, Seno, Tobacco, Tobacco, Kaskansar, Tobacco, Kaskansar, Samla.
Nature, environment, but mostly that clear that nature has been expressed in form of opposition to something that some construction activities, etc. Instead of using that love for nature to basically translate into something which is meaningful and constructive for the environment. So Green Force is probably first such effort from the side of the AD administration in Meghalaya, where it is galvanizing the community, it is allowing them to come together to not only save their heritage and culture, but also teach the new generation about the importance of nature and how it is our responsibility, it is responsibility of each and all to ensure that the nature is preserved for the next generation. So, why I mentioned about green force is because this is called Project TREILANG, right? So, TREILANG, whether it is TREILANG, whether it is green force, both are testimony to the fact that if you have a young dynamic officer at the helm of affairs, the speed with which the development activities will go ahead, or the kind of activities that you will see, will be something that the community itself can testify to. So, without taking much time on this, again, my congratulations to SGO Civil for not only conceptualizing these things, but also taking the painstaking effort of reaching out to all departments, including DC office, and making sure that basically, when he approached me, it was well understood that no cannot be an answer that he will be accepting. Whether it is my office, whether it is any other department from which he has been able to get the funds, it is because of his conviction, it is because of the fact that when he approached our offices with the idea of TREILANG, it's something that was never heard of, but then it's so intuitively simple that it will be fostering constructive cooperation amongst the villagers that it was difficult to say no. So, having been a SGO Civil myself, although in a different subdivision, I understand that how difficult it is to mobilize funds at time. So, fund mobilization, again, the way you have gone about it is something which is marvelous. And even though I'll be leaving NEHU district soon because my transfer order is already out, I'll be joining these khasinews in 1 week's time. However, I, for one, will be very keenly watching the results of TREILANG, that how it encourages the community to come forward for their own development, how they will take advantage of the camp, and how they will basically, how should I say, they'll prove all those naysayers, all those skeptics wrong, who say that people of Meghalaya are not really caring for development. Many times we hear that, let's say whether it is Aadhaar, whether it is a Mishayas, whether it is any other program, sometimes our operators go into the village, they come back exasperated, they say that we have tried our best, but the people are not really coming forward for the registration. I hope, I wish that Project TREILANG proves everyone wrong. They show that if the office is serious, if we are able to create the right kind of environment, people will be more than willing to come forward, to register for different programs, and to not just be a recipient of the benefits, but also be a more than competent and able partner of the entire development.